If you are a complete beginner without any coding background but have interest in learning coding, this video is for you. Hey everyone, I am Harpreet, a senior software engineer. Welcome to my channel. Let's explore. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about strings in Java. So strings are crucial, making up 80 to 90% of the code in real-time projects. I'll walk you through some of the most useful and handy inbuilt methods for working with strings. These methods are not just essential but are very easy to implement. So you will be coding like a pro in no time. Let's get started. So first, to start the coding, what you need is, first you need to install any ID, right? So I have like intelligent ID on my Mac. You can have Eclipse also, any other, whatever you like. So basically IDs, the full form is ID is integrated development environment. So basically, for example, when we edit any software, we use some software like ProCut and the DaVinci Code, any one of the software. Similarly, when we write code, we need some this environment. So it will catch your runtime, compile time errors, and so it will give you some suggestions. So it will make your coding easy. So to install it, you can just Google it, how to install IntelliJ on Mac. If you have Windows operating system, you can type here how to install IntelliJ on Windows. And there are some videos also, you can watch videos on Google. So that's it. Okay, let's assume you already have IntelliJ now. So now what you will do is, so you will create the new project in the IntelliJ. Okay, and so you'll go here. Okay, so this is the new project I'm creating. So let me give any name to it. Let me give the name like Java learning project. So this is a Java project. Okay, this I'm saving in my idea project, so Git I don't want. All right. So let me see. Okay, I'll select new window. Okay, so when we created this, automatically this main class is created. So what we have to do is, now next our project is created, now we have to create the new class. Like, okay, I'll create the new class and I'll name it learn Java strings. Okay, so there's one thing, guys. Whenever you start writing the name, you should start with actually capital letter. This is like you can start even with the small also, but usually everyone starts name with the capital letter for the when we are creating the class. But if you type with the small letter also, it will allow, but in the coding standards everyone writes with the small letter. Okay, and then what we have to create here is main method. Okay, p s v. So there is one shortcut, right? If you type esvm, it will take you, and you enter the tab button, it will create the automatically on this main method. Okay, so these are the prerequisites of starting. So now let me go to the strings, right? So okay, so first let me go and show you what are the strings. So okay, Okay, let me open my this iPad. So basically, the definition of string, it is a sequence of characters. But in like normal, like regular English, if we say, so it is like any sentence or any word. If we have any sentence or any word, right, we can declare it as a string. So for example, if someone asks you, what is my name, if I have to write my name, if, for example, if I have to write my name, right, in English, how we will write? So in English, I'll write Harpreet, right? So if someone in English, but if suppose, let's say I have to write in this in Java. So in Java, how will I write is, first I'll put double quotes, then I'll write my name, Harpreet. Okay, I'll write my last name also, Singh, and again double quotes, and then semicolon. Okay, and then semicolon, and then I have to store it also in some variable. I can give any variable. Suppose, so I'll give my the string we have to write, because this is a data type of the my variable. So string. So this is I'll write my name. Okay, my name is the variable is equal to. So this is the syntax of writing string. Okay, so let me this is a little bit messy. Semicolon. Do it again. Okay, so when we write this, right, any string, so there is any word or any sentence, right? For example, if you want to write how are you, you can declare it as a string. And the other thing is, if you want to write like for example, what is the color of your car, you can write white or red or whatever, you can write in like string, right? For example, like this, red, sorry, red. Then you can declare it in string. You can give any variable name. For example, you can give color of the my car also. You can write a S also. For example, you remember in mathematics, in algebra, we used to write like x equal to 20. So that means the value of x is 20. But here in Java, we will write here like string S. So basically, we are assigning this red value to S variable. For like we used to declare, right, value of x to 20. All right, then let me show you how like it is, how indexing is, how the string is stored in the memory with respect to indexes. So for example, I'm writing here, let's say I'll write just my name, okay, so Harpreet Singh. So how we'll write is the memory for okay, H A R P R E T and G H. So what happens is, in the memory, it is, when we start from the left, it will store these H is in Java, we'll call it character, like we in English we call it alphabets, right? So this character, the first character will store at 0th index, the second character will store at first index, and then according to This P will at 3, R will at 4, 5, 6, 7. I didn't put any space. If there was space, if there is, suppose let's say there is space, right, then it will, then space will also count as 8. Okay, let's assume there is space, right, there is space, then 8, this 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total 13 indexes. So it starts from the left. This is how it starts. Okay, so okay, now if I write for example red, right, color of my car is red. Okay, string, so then it will show you how it will appear, how it will store in the memory. String, okay, I'll write color of car equal to, okay, red, right. So how it will store in the memory, so it will be like this, for example, this, okay, red. I'll just try to write a little bit clean this time. Okay, so R will be at the 0th index, E will be at the first index, D will be at the second index. Okay, so I hope this is indexing of the strings is clear. Now let me go over some of the string methods. So what are, there are some methods in the strings which you will use actually in the coding. It will be really useful in your real-time projects also when you are doing coding. Like, it's not just for theoretical purpose, you are going to use it. Okay, then let me, there are some methods here I copied here. Let me copy this method and paste it here, just for it will be easy to remember otherwise. Okay, so the first method is to lowercase, or let me show you how you can use this first method to lowercase. For example, I'll write string my name is equal to, so you can install the IntelliJ IDE and set up the project and create the class, and you can parallel do with me. Harpreet Singh, right? Okay, and let's say I'll first use two uppercase, because this is in the small letters, right? Okay, if I want to use it, okay, my name, and so what I have to do is, so I'll do my name equal to, my name dot, so you don't have to write anything, just type two. You have to remember that two uppercase, right? Just two. It will, this IntelliJ IDE will automatically give you suggestion, right? So this is the two uppercase. So when you type this one, so it will change this all small letters to capitals. Okay, so now I'll store it some new string. So strings are immutable. You always have to store it. You cannot directly this thing. It will still give you the old result. So you have to store it some in new value. So string. Okay. So previously we did give my name. Okay, I'll say now my name in upper letters. Okay, now I'll print it. So to print it, you can just type SOUT and enter. So it will give you. So basically, okay, now I have to print the value. Now I have to print this this variable, right? What is the value of this variable? So I'll write this. So in double quotes, for example, we are writing in the print statement. So we can write, like, for example, what we want to print, my name in upper letters are, and then after this double quotes we have to get to print this. So we have to this enter the plus button, and then we have to paste this one, this variable, right? My name in upper letters. Okay, so now let me run this one. Alright. Okay, run Java strings main class. Yeah, let me run it now. Okay, so it's at, you can see, right, it has changed to this Harpreet Singh in upper letters. It converted, right? So in this way, um, you can change it to uh, you can use this to uppercase method. So the to uppercase. So the second, now let's go to the second, another method now. So let's say now this is the uppercase. Let's say I want to start change it into now to small letters, right? This my name, because so why this method is useful. Sometimes, for example, you have some name, but they, like client or ask is okay, they want in capital or small letters. So that is why, these method, this is how you're going to use this method, and in that place. And yeah, now let me go to the second method is to lowercase, right? Okay, now let me copy this variable my name in upper letters. So just I'll paste this letter and dot to lowercase. Okay, so I'll store it in where some variable. I'll write in the name of the variable my name in lower letters. Okay, then I'll write a type SOUT. So I'll print this statement. Okay, now I'll write my name in lower letter. My name in, instead of upper, I'll say lower letters. Or again, I'll put this double quotes. Okay, I'll put it as arrow, just easy to understand. Oh, I have to type it. Put in double quotes, then plus button, and I'll paste this variable name. Okay. All right. So let's see now. Yeah, you can see it has converted into two small letters. Okay, so this is, you can change any string to, you can change the to upper or lower cases. Okay, second is trim. So trim, basically it is like for example, in Instagram or Facebook we have some videos, there is option to write trim means to remove the spaces from the front and the uh, end part. Okay, so let's say, here I have some spaces in between. Okay, there are some spaces, so it will remove all the spaces from the front. This space, that's what I was wondering, like my name dot trim. Okay, now I'll write declare one variable string my name, trimmed name. Okay, Yeah, now I'll print this name. Okay, I have to print this variable. Alright, then let's run again this main method. Yeah, now see, now it has removed all the space. At that time earlier it didn't remove that, those spaces were still there. Alright, so what I was thinking, I have put this space, maybe that is why it's coming. Alright, then we'll move to next method, dot replace. Okay, next I'll show you. Now this, for example, my name, right? My name dot replace. So replace old character and new character. Okay, so let's say I want to replace my first name with the Harpreet. Okay, so I'll write here my brother's name is Manpreet, so I'll replace it with Manpreet. Okay, my name, so I'll store into string my name after replacement, something like that. Any variable you can write. Alright, then again let me type SOUT and it will type the print statement, and I'll write my name after replacement is okay as okay. Okay, let's run it again. So see, it is saying my name after replacement is Manpreet Singh. Okay, so this method is dot replace. Okay, next method is dot index of. So if you find, like I explained you earlier, right, this it starts with 0 index, first index, third. So let's say I want to start here in my name, I want to see the index of R. So what will be the index of R? 0 1 2, right? 2 should be there. So let's find it with Java. Okay, now I'll write this one. I'll take this variable name, my name dot, we have to type char at okay, first I will use this char at, so it will find the character at that index. Okay, so what was that? We want to find the where is that one? 0 1 2. Okay, 2, then we'll see what will be the char at. So earlier, because this will return the char, right, character, so it will, so we will not store in it string, we have to store it in char. Okay, char, we can name it any, you can write x or okay. Oh yeah, so we'll create the character x. Again I will write this main method, and we'll write third character of my name. Type it here. x. Okay, all right, then again I'll add this main method. It is not printing. Okay, character add. Okay, third character. Okay. Oh, because you know why? Oh, because there are spaces, right? So that is why it is taking the space only. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let me remove these spaces for, because it was printing space only, but third now at that time it was that was at third. That's what I was wondering, like, why it is not printing. Okay, let me rerun this one. See, it printed R third, because at the time previously it was printing only space only. All right, then there is another method is dot trim is done, dot replace, dot index of. Okay, we'll use the index of. Okay, similarly now you will use dot index of my main dot index of. So we know that now, right? Index of so hey guys, we always put this character in the single quotes, like string we are putting in the double quotes, right? Character is R, so we want to print the R. So what it will return is, it will, the return type of, if you see here, index, right? So we cannot store in either in character or string. We have to save in it in index. I'll print here. Okay, y. Okay, now I'll print the value of y as t. So what it will print, index of R is plus symbol and type the R variable. Oh, I'm sorry, y. Because y is the variable, right? Yeah, see, printed 2. Okay, now if I want to type the t, let's say t, if I want to print the index of t, let's see what is it. Okay, t. Okay, so it's printing 7. So there is another interview question also. Sometimes they ask you, right? So let's say there is no word, no character, right? For example, I'll type m here if I want to find m, but m is not here. So what will it will print? Okay, let's see. So I'm printing it. Let's see. -1. So remember guys, this is very important interview question. Whenever you don't have that number character present in the string and you want to print it, what it will return? -1. It will always return -1, especially in the transactions. This is very important. Then when they don't find that character, so it will return -1, and then they ask, so they're gonna ask you in the interview. All right, then next is substring. Okay, so substring. So what substring does is, For example, I will type this substring right from R. So what it will do is from R it will all print all the remaining characters. Okay, so let's type it here. Let me show you how it works. My name dot substring of beginning index. So R was at 2 index, right? It will start. I'll store another string my name from third character is equal to, okay, I'll store it here. Now I'll print this one. My name after third character. Okay, basically after second character, that will include. Let me rename the main method again. Okay, this is it is breathe. Okay, my name. Oh, there is no, actually I didn't put arrow, that is why it is not readable properly. Okay, I'll give it a space to distinguish. Let me rerun it again. See, it is Harpreet from its starting from 3 and it will print all the remaining numbers, right? Remaining characters. So now let's say if I want to, like this is like this we called method overloading. So we are using here now with that same method with more parameters, like there are 2 parameters I and j. So what it will do is this method, so for example I want to print only from for example P to T. Okay, so we have to take this index and this last index, but usually what, so j, this is just to remember it. So if we print I, so I will include, right? For example, I'll show you, I will include the character also, but if you want to print the last number, you have to put the j is equal to character plus, I'll show you, plus 1. So what it means is, for example, I want to, let's say I want to print from A to T. So let's see, first A's index is 1, this index is 2, this 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. T is at 7, right? So first we'll see what is the index of okay, first we'll write here just for just understanding. Alright, so this is how you put the comments. If you don't want to implement, just you have to write the double slash, right? Okay, index of R is 2, right? We just see that. Index of, now we'll see T, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Index of T is 7. Okay, but I want to print here now from index from 2 to 7, like R breathe, right? So what if I use this method, right? Okay, I'll show you. What is a variable in my name? Dot substring mm, 2 and 7. Okay, so what it will do is it will not print this t. So what is this? In order to print this t, we have to do this +1. Okay, so we have to write to get this value of t also, you have to type it here 8. It's always like this. Okay, but starting number it will include, but last number it will not include. Okay, now I will type it in, store it in some variable string, my name from R to T, also just any variable. Okay, then I will store it here, then I'll print again so T printing, also printing my name from R to T, right? R to T. Okay, now plus symbol and all right, then I'll rerun the program. See, it print T R. Okay, 0 to why it didn't print it T R string. Let me see the string from name R to T R string T R. Okay, R is 2. What is printing T R? Oh, so yeah, so again, just to distinguish this one, I'll just put this arrow. It is always confusing. Okay, I'll rerun the program again. See, it is printing RPRAT. So in this way, we have to just remember this one. If you want to print the last index, you have to give the +1 value. Okay, and yeah, so that's it. These all are the string methods, and these are really useful when you are doing real-time coding and for your understanding also. So if you want, you can just install the IntelliJ, and you can start up the project and create the Java class and start doing this. Then you will get confidence. Okay, then you can do it. All right, then, thank you guys, thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, and follow me for more videos like this. Thank you.